What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're watching some wheat harvest here, so here we're gonna take a look at it. So he's combining there, and we got the round baler going today. I was running that a while ago. I caught the other combine. We got another one combining oats, 9510 combining oats over there. And then we got a square baler guy over there. I don't know if you can see him. He's way over there doing square baler guy things. And all around, we're having a good day today. So I'm gonna go throw some idiot bales, and I'll catch you on the next one.